It's a candy gumball Wii remote.
Whoa, candy gumball Wii remote. Awesome.
They come ask them. Oh, Mom, look, this is what I'm talking about. You can grow sugars.
Could grow sugar and make these?
Uh-huh.
That's cool. We are in Seaside, Washington, and we found this awesome candy store.
Whoa, what is this? What is this? Got fish. We're in the candy store, by the way, guys. So maybe I'll there's kind of a lot of people. You have to ask if you show them.
I know. If you're a crazy Pez collector, here's where to go get a crazy Pez place.
Doesn't matter. It's a candy store.
Everything here. Look at Starburst, crazy Starburst stuff. Gummy Starburst. What'd you find, Jasmine?
Yes, Pac-Man. Whoa! Does that feel good?
Mm-hmm.
That's faster than any of them so far. And then there's... Oh, look! Look! Again.
Look at that! Isn't that cool?
It's right there.
What's the matter?
Yeah, but you should ask them before.
Good publicity for their store. Look at this, is crazy. Look at this. I don't know what the heck that even is. Oh my gosh. Ooh, here we go. Aftershokers. I don't even know what these are. Aftershokers popping candy. Oh, whoa. If you really want to get that, there you go. There you go. And for the people that like tobacco candy, here is tobacco candy. Look at that. That's pretty darn cool. That says tobacco, but actually it is jelly beans. Jelly beans made out of tobacco. That's freaking great. And here is... I don't know what that is. Here you go, Anastasia, Jasmine. I found the big Jelly Belly deal. Those are nasty. You don't want the. I heard these are crazy. That's for our the challenge. If you want to do a challenge, those have some nasty things in them. I heard. This is freaking cool. Jelly bean.
These are Dr. Pepper jelly beans.
Dr. Pepper jelly beans.
Candy, candy. Mama, can we buy some of this?
Look, they even got one of these. Whoa. Whoa. You like chocolate, this is the place to go. This is really, oh my gosh. Whoo, boy. Keep coming through here. Look at this.
You can.
Don't get any.
How can you eat this?
I like a day.
This is great. This is so cool.
You know how many days it took you?
I think about days like forever.
I started it back in
This stuff is crazy. This is a candy connoisseur. Mr. Candy Connoisseur.
Yeah.
How do you like this candy?
Yeah.
You got on YouTube. I won't put you on YouTube. I'll cut it off. That's freaking cool. No, he won't be. I'll take him off. I'll edit him off. Chad's scared somebody will find him that he knows. It's like Lord of the Rings. No, I already did. Look at these ring pop gummies. Woo! Candy store. There you go. Here's some sucker magnets.
You did. I think you got it for Christmas.
Where did it go? Did it break?
Okay, we're stuck on this area. We gotta get more. We gotta get in somewhere else. We need buckets of everything here. Look at this. Whee! Drop. I like that. That's really good stuff there. Okay, let's go this way. Trying not to get anybody on here. Sorry.